Hey guys, you would be amazed how often I've tried to record this video. By the way, it's me, and today I have brought my kid, Leia, or Callie. I brought Callie. Leia's running around the house somewhere. But I brought Callie, and I want you to know that I tried to record these videos a number of times, had a lot of technical bugs. Primarily I had an audio technical bug, and I recorded several videos that had no discernible audio at all. Hold on a second, let me check something. Okay, the loud sound in the background has ended. Today we're going to talk about working with characters and strings of characters. A string of characters is called a string, as you know. But from this point forward, I'm going to turn my video off because you probably don't want to see me anyway. But mostly because it's covering up words on the screen. Alright, just so you know, a string is a class. Each created string is a class object. Therefore, the string variable name is not a simple data type. In fact, it references a memory location and it doesn't reference an actual value. So that has its own problems when we try to compare two strings. If you compare two strings using the double equals operator, you're not comparing values at all. You're comparing computer memory locations. And for that reason, two equal signs is not the best way of handling things. Usually we want to compare the contents more than the memory locations. So let's look at that in code. So here's our code here. You can see it. And I'm going to run it again. I did a test run before I recorded this part of the video. But I'm going to go ahead and compile this. And I'm going to run it. And you can see what happens on the other side. We're comparing two strings incorrectly. I'm going to type in Carmen. And of course it says Carmen does not equal Carmen. Because this line 11, we're comparing the actual address and not the string contents. To compare contents, we should use this dot equals method. And when we do that, you will see the proper thing happens. Let me save this here. We're going to compile it again. We're going to run it again. And I'm going to hit Carmen. And now we have the expected result. And I'm going to run it one more time so you can see a different string. Carmen does not equal Chad. Good to know. Okay, so let's jump back into the other side to see more about the character class. So the character class contains standard methods for testing the values of characters. Those methods begin with is. They return Boolean values, and it's things like, is it uppercase, is it lowercase, is it white space? Another method might begin with to. This returns a character that's been converted to the stated format. For example, to uppercase changes characters to uppercase. To lowercase changes uppercase characters to lowercase, right? And I'll show you a whole bunch of those character classes right here. The is uppercase test of characters is uppercase. To changes it. There's is lowercase to lowercase. There's is a digit. There's is a letter. There's is letter or digit. And there's is white space. If I wanted to find out if a character was a special character, I would say is not letter or digit and is not white space. And that's going to return special characters. So these methods are all helpful when working with characters, working with strings of characters. We can use this to make modifications. We'll stop the recording here